welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious hibiscus adobo that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to show you exactly how to make this amazing hibiscus adobo. Yes, it really comes out delicious. Here I'm showing you how you have the hibiscus flower nice and dry. Here I have some chile de árbol. I only have 4. I have about 8 chile guajillos and of course 4 garlic cloves. Let me tell you about this amazing adobo. This adobo really tastes delicious. The combination of the chile guajillo pods, the chile de árbol, and the flower of the hibiscus. The flower really gives this adobo such a delicious sweet, the aroma just perfect. I am telling you, once you make this amazing hibiscus adobo, you're going to really fall in love with it. You could combine it with chicken, combine it with shrimp, combine it with fish, you name it. Once you make it, you're really going to fall in love with this amazing hibiscus adobo. Here I have my Guajillo chili pods that I'm removing the stems, removing the seeds, and removing the vein. This part is very important. You always want to prepare your chiles before you start putting them and cooking them in this amazing adobo. Look at this. Look how easy it is. Here I want to show you that I am going to add 1 cup of the hibiscus flower. It's nice and dry. To this I'm going to add some hot water to hydrate the flower and hydrate and get all the benefits of the flower of the hibiscus. Aroma, flavor. Of course, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1/2 cup of honey, and the oil needs to be nice and hot before you start adding all the ingredients. I added the garlic first because it's going to take longer to cook and get nice golden brown. The chile de árbol it's an in and out. Of course, the Guajillo chilies, once you put them in the oil, they're really going to change color to a very, very red and light color. And that's how you know that they're getting nice and crispy. Don't over crisp your chiles because if they get burned, your adobo is going to be very sour. Just put them in for a couple minutes and remove them. Look at this. Look how easy it is. This is the real time. I want to show you how fast they cook, and that's exactly how you want to remove them. Of course, the garlic cloves take a little longer to cook, and that's why I added them way on the beginning. Once they are nice and golden brown, you're ready to remove from the oil. And now this is the best part, showing you, of course, if you don't love spicy food, don't add the chile de árbol, add just 1. Of course, when I'm making this amazing hibiscus adobo, it doesn't come out spicy at all. I have already hydrated the hibiscus flower. Of course, I'm going to use the same liquid. Look at this. Look at the color of the liquid. Now I am ready to blend. To my blender cup, I'm going to add all my chiles and the garlic cloves, everything that we added into the oil. And now I am going to add the hibiscus and the liquid. Don't forget to add your chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon. And now I'm ready to add the hibiscus that it's already hydrated, even with the liquid. I am going to add 1/2 cup of honey. You could add regular honey, you could add agave, you decide, whatever you have at home. But let me tell you, the texture of this hibiscus adobo really comes out nice and thick and so delicious. I am going to go ahead and blend for about 4 to 5 minutes. Every blender is different, but blend it really good. You want it really smooth, really creamy, and this is going to take time. But once you make this adobo, you're really going to fall in love with it. The flavor of the hibiscus really gives this adobo such an amazing and delicious flavor. If you haven't tried it, please make it. I am sure you're going to love it. If you liked and loved this amazing video, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Look how creamy it is. Look how thick it is. Do not add any water into your blender after you pour it. You want the texture to be nice and thick so you could cover your fish, cover your shrimp, cover even your chicken. You decide. Even your carne asada, you could really brush it after it's nice and cooked. You could brush it right on the top. Taste it to see if it needs a little more salt. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious homemade adobo with hibiscus. Of course, I added some tostadas and I added some of the adobo on the top because I needed to taste it. And let me tell you, it just came out perfect. Excuse me. So delicious. It goes perfect with chicken, with fish, you name it. I am sure that once you make it, you're going to really enjoy it. Even with some shrimp, just amazing. This adobo came out perfect. So delicious. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.